Okay, so in this video I'm going to go over the operation of the Ridgid Octane brushless jigsaw. And this is model R8832. And it's a pretty good jigsaw. So I'm going to go over what all these buttons are just to give you a general idea and just how to basically put the blade in and out. We're doing this on a boat. I'm actually on a 28-foot sailboat, but we're on dry dock. And I'm actually going to use this jigsaw to cut a larger hole for a new circuit breaker panel here. So before I do that, I'm going to show everyone watching this video on what these buttons are for. Okay, so let's go over the operation of this. So we're going to all start with the blade. So basically this front lever button, you push this all the way over and that will release the blade. Okay? And the same thing to put it in. It takes a few different types of blades here. You'll see like a T-shank, no T, and lots of weird looking stuff. So anyway, what you do is you pull this back all the way, stick this in as far as it goes, let go and pull on it, and make sure it's set in the guide wheel. See, there's a slot there, and you know, sometimes it may be off, and you'll start it and it's all messed up. So there you go. So that's how you put the blade in. The trigger's right here to start it. All right, this is the trigger lock, so it stays on, so you don't have to keep your finger on there if you have a really long cut. Just pull it and it'll release. All right, this button here turns the light on here instead of activating the jigsaw. That's this button. All right. This one is the oscillating action. So this goes from 0 to 3. On 0, basically, the blade goes just up and down. It doesn't do the oscillating cutting motion. So basically, as you put it on 1, 2, or 3, it makes the upstroke a little bit more aggressive. So in other words, it comes down and then goes forward and rips up into the wood. And number 3 is the more intense, and if you're cutting wood, it'll go a lot faster, but it's a little bit more aggressive. And if you're working on fine work, like, you know, the fiberglass and wood I'm going to go through, because I keep it on mellow, I'm going to keep it on 0. So that's what this button does. We have the shoe angle, which is this button. And we'll pull this out. It's a lever. And what you would do is just slide this. See, it slides up, and then you can tilt it for some angle cuts. All right. And then you want to set it back, just get it kind of like near 90 degrees, and then that'll lock it into place. All right, this one a lot of people are confused about, and this one has 2 positions at the slide switch, and actually this turns on a little blower that blows sawdust out of the way as you're cutting. And you could do it that way to shut it off, and then you can hook a vacuum up behind to actually suck the sawdust, or, you know, you can do both. You can put it on, blow that out, and also have a vacuum, but that clears the way. And that's it. So I always, the speed control, I don't know if I told you, so it's this is the speed setting. That's kind of like a safety, like if you're keeping the battery in and you're handling it, you don't want it to activate, put it on off. But so this will go 1 to 5. And let's see, line start. Okay, so the line start is supposed to, when you put it on line start, it's supposed to start it at a slow speed as you start cutting, and then speed up as it senses pressure on the blade. That's what I think. Now, if I'm not correct, someone let me know in the comments, but I'm pretty sure that's what line start is. I don't use it. I just have the setting on high, and then of course this is variable speed. So there you go. All right, so if this video helped you out, appreciate it. Hit the like button and the subscribe. Thanks for watching.